The Epson SureColor S9130 is designed for seamless usability, helping you work smarter and faster. In this video, we'll show you how efficient media loading and unloading, ink replacement and printhead maintenance can be. The S9130 comes bundled with a magnetized media lifter, making heavy media loading and replacement a one-person job. Say goodbye to strain and struggle. This smart feature lets you handle media quickly and effortlessly. Let us take you through a step-by-step guide on loading and unloading of media with ease. First, place the media onto the media lifter. Crank the media lifter to the right height. Insert the media's core into the spindle on the left and then on the right. Secure the media to the spindle by tightening the knob and crank the spindle to secure the media. Pull the media and insert it into the opening from the rear of the printer. Temporarily lock the media placement with the nip lever. There is also the media cleaner, which helps to eliminate dust and lint. Unlock the nip lever at the top before media alignment. Advance the media forward manually. Open the printer cover to adjust the media. Use the triangle marker to accurately align the media on the left and also on the right. Close the printer cover. On the display panel, check if the media settings are correct. Select OK. The printer will now load the media. Select Complete. Now you can set up the auto take-up reel. Advance the media until it reaches the core at the front. Using tape, stick the media end to the core. Release the tension bar. Then flick the switch to auto. Now printer is ready for printing. With the SCS9130, you have the option to choose between 800ml or 1500ml ink pack, tailoring to your production needs. You can also mix and match between 800ml or 1500ml ink pack with the 11-color ink set, providing more flexibility. With its bulk ink solution, replacing ink is quicker and easier than ever, while minimizing downtime. To do so, unlock the catch to release ink tray. Pull out the ink tray. Remove the depleted ink pack. Latch the new ink pack into the ink tray. Slide the ink tray back into position. Lock the catch to secure the ink tray. With a larger internal space and an intuitive step-by-step graphical guide, cleaning the printhead and replacing maintenance parts is now quicker and more accessible than ever. Minimize downtime and keep your printer running at peak performance with ease. Select the maintenance icon. Scroll down and select Cleaning the maintenance parts. Select Printhead area around the cap. Confirm by selecting OK. Select How to. Open the maintenance cover on the left. Check if the area shown in the image is dirty. Pour ink cleaner into the container up to the first scale. We recommend doing this work on a tray or something similar to keep the surrounding area clean. Dampen the cleaning stick with ink cleaner. Be careful that the liquid does not drip. Do not touch the blue parts shown in the illustration. Use the cleaning stick to wipe away any ink or dust on the sections shown in the image. If the cleaning stick gets dirty while cleaning, rinse it in the ink cleaner. Remove any ink clots with a cleaning stick, and then wipe them from the cleaning stick with a clean room wiper. Confirm that it's adequately cleaned. Once done, close the maintenance cover on the left. To perform cleaning the area around the cap, open the maintenance cover on the right. Check if the area shown in the image is dirty. If there is no dirt, cleaning is not required. Hold the cleaning stick vertically and wipe the outer edge of the suction cap in the direction of the arrows. Hold the cleaning stick flat and wipe the edge of the suction cap in the direction of the arrows. Use tweezers to remove any dirt or dust. Confirm that it's adequately cleaned. Follow the instructions to clean the area shown in the image. Dampen the cleaning stick with ink cleaner. Be careful that the liquid does not drip. Hold the cleaning stick vertically and wipe the outer edge of the anti-drying caps in the direction of the arrows. Wipe the edge of the capping station. Use tweezers to remove any dirt or dust. Clean the rest of the dirty anti-drying cap in the same way if necessary. Dampen the cleaning stick with ink cleaner. Be careful that the liquid does not drip. Clean the area shown in the figure with a cleaning stick. Confirm that it's adequately cleaned. Once done, close the maintenance cover on the right. To replace maintenance parts, select the maintenance icon. Scroll down and select Replace Maintenance Parts. To begin, select Start. Select How to. First, open the maintenance cover on the right. In the following steps, reach in from the front to replace the consumables. Do not reach in from the top, or ink may drip and stain the surroundings. Place your fingers in the indentations at the back of the wiper unit and pull it slightly forward. lift up the wiper unit to remove it. After taking out the new wiper unit, use its packaging to wrap the wiper unit that was removed. Place the new wiper unit on the bracket and push it in until it clicks. Check the position of the flushing pad. Grab the tab and pull the flushing pad up slowly. Once the waste ink stops dripping, remove the used pad from the printer and place it on a metal tray. Insert the two hooks on the new flushing pad into the slots and push down until it clicks into place. Confirm that all the flushing pads are installed correctly. There is a risk that the flushing pad and the printhead may make contact and be damaged. Put the flushing pad that was removed in the bag that is used to contain the new flushing pad. Once done, close the maintenance cover. Check the position of the air filters. Use 2 air filters in the following operations. Remove the air filter cover as shown. Remove the air filter. Install the new air filter. Attach the air filter cover by inserting its upper tabs. Once done, select Close. Ensure all covers are closed. Then select Yes. The all-new Epson SureColor S9130 is designed to streamline daily operations and enhance your productivity with greater ease and efficiency. Experience smarter, faster, and more reliable printing every single day.